In this video, I'll show you how to make this pop-up card using a Cricut machine. I've shared a link to the design file in the video description. Upload the file to Cricut Design Space. Then tell the Cricut which lines to draw, score and cut. The majority of the lines will be drawn, so click on the image and while everything is grouped together, change the line type to draw. Click on Group so we can control the lines separately. Hold down Shift on the keyboard and select the outer line of each object and change the line type to Cut. I'm going to zoom in to make it easier to select the penguin and archway outline. The entrance to the igloo also needs to be set to cut. If it changes colour, just change it back to white. We now need to tell the Cricut which lines are going to be folded. So we want this one, this bit, and set the line to score. And also the horizontal lines of the pop-up mechanism. Set that to score. And then these vertical lines need to be set to cut. While we're here, I'm going to set the pen colour for the igloo to one of these blues. And I'll do the same for the archway. You could also change the happy birthday colour, but I'm going to keep it as black. If you want a different message, you can just delete these letters, add new text, and then use the curve tool. Now I'm going to zoom into the penguins and while holding down Shift, select the beaks and feet on the front of the card. Set the colour to one of the oranges. And do the same for the beak on this penguin as well. Finally, we need to drag a box around each object and click Attach to tell the Cricut which bits go together. Now it's ready, so click Make It. It will recognise the water needs to be on separate paper. My card is A4, so when I select it, the white objects will be split over 2 sheets. Press Continue. It takes a few moments for the computer to find the Cricut using Bluetooth, so meanwhile stick the card to the cutting mat. Choose the material that best matches the weight of the card you're using. Cricut assumes you have the scoring wheel, but if like me you have the stylus, click Edit Tools and select that option. Load the tools and cutting mat as it shows on your screen, then press the flashing Go button on the Cricut. When it pauses, change the tool as prompted on your screen and press the Go button to continue. It will pause for each tool change. When it's finished, unload the mat and remove the finished parts. Do the same for the other sheets, choosing copy paper in the material settings when you load the blue paper for the water. Fold along the score lines, then glue a square of grey paper behind the igloo and colour in the penguins. Add a bit of glue to the pop-up mechanism and attach the archway and penguin. Glue the blue paper inside the card and stick the pop-up section on top. And then it's done.